kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Hey, I'm gonna...
I'm just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
What? What is going on?
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Program thing has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god.
He's on the side of the road. He's gonna get killed for sure. Someone just, oh no, it's a whole, oh my gosh.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah!
Și să nu-i plicuiești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Let me Marshmallow. Get you a big camera.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
She ain't moving.
No, she is not.
I told you it was a little kitty.
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep it?
I'm just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
What's happening?
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
He's on the side of the road. He's gonna get killed for sure. Someone just, oh no, it's a whole, oh my gosh. I'm right here.
Kyle. Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle! Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you. Do you have my back? Come on, let's go. I know they're gonna fight us. Come on.